and with a horny beak for picking off fruits and seeds.
Once forested wetland adorned with lush vegetation.
Reculons de 65 à 70 millions d'années. En ce moment, le Majungasaurus est le plus gros prédateur de l'île de Madagascar.
And a sense of smell more powerful than any other dinosaur.
May have touched close to 100 feet long, could have been 70 tons.
We're talking about a weight that ranges anywhere from 10 to 15 elephants. This thing weighed as much as a herd of elephants. If this animal is as big as we think it is, we just sort of keep pushing the envelope as to how big a terrestrial animal can get.
Spent their whole lives in the ocean. They're thought to have been around 10 meters in length. That's about the size of a double-decker bus. They had long, broad flippers, short, strong necks, huge heads.
A giant millipede, probably the biggest terrestrial arthropod that has ever existed. The largest specimen discovered so far was nearly as long as a car, 2.5 meters. The Carbonemys, its wings were nearly 3 feet across. In the coastal seas. But it's clear that the pterosaurs now had rivals in the sky.
Australia. Males were much larger than females, suggesting they could have lived in small family groups characterized by one dominant male. A pair of Procoptodon feast before the heat of the day. Unlike today's kangaroos who feed on grass, they prefer bushes and leaves. Their distinctive short face gives the jaw more strength to chew the tougher plants.
So through the camera on her back, we're actually seeing...
For millions of years in New Zealand's rainforests, the moa had flourished. It was one of the largest birds to ever walk the earth, but it couldn't fly. "11,000 years ago, the landscape here was very different. No beach, no sea. The sloth was foraging for food, using its height to spot the most luscious greenery. All this fascinated McPhee, but then Aramayo revealed something else. The giant sloth had not been the only...
Majungasaurus doit s'approcher furtivement de proies comme le Rapetosaurus, un sauropode gigantesque.
Shade below, we usually estimate the weights of living baleen whales at about 1 ton a foot. So if you have an animal 75 to 80 feet long, it'd be about 75 to 80 tons.